Hello students, we have seen in real life or in movies person in coma. If you prick or pinch or try to talk or pour hot boiling water on such person, there is no response, no movements. Why? You are right. The brain of such person stops working. That is why such person is not able to respond or make any movement. Similarly, when you are in classroom and your friend wants to talk to you, how will you respond? Whisper or shout? Definitely, you will whisper instead of shouting. There is something which controls all such responses. What do you think? Who does it? Yes, you are again right. It is your brain. Similarly, when a mosquito bites you, your hand instantly slaps it. Or let us take another example. When somebody pinches you in sleep, your hand reacts to it and moves away. In morning, you don't even remember that somebody pinched you. This is because brain is not controlling the response, and so you are not able to remember it. Then who controls the responses? It is spinal cord in this case. It is obvious from these examples that living organisms use systems to provide control movements and responses. We just saw that the living organisms give control responses, but we will see that their responses are not only controlled but well coordinated also. Let's understand by example. When somebody offers you a cake, you move your hand to pick up a piece of cake and you open your mouth to eat it. Here there are two organs, that is hand and mouth, which works together in a smooth manner. This working together in smooth manner is nothing but coordination. Who coordinate these movements of our hand and mouth? Yes, the nervous system. So let's see how any organism does this control and coordination between various organs of the body. Now we know that brain is the control center of our body. It passes on messages to other parts of the body for their proper functioning. These messages from the body parts are sent to brain. Brain analyzes all these messages and responds back to the respective organs. You know how? By thread-like structures that come out of brain called as nerves. These messages are in the form of electrical signals. So clearly we know that brain, spinal cord and nerves are part of nervous system. Now you must be thinking, why control and coordination is required? The purpose or objective of control and coordination is crucial to maintain stable state or balanced state of our body, known as homeostasis. For example, when we are exercising, during this our body requires a lot of energy. This means our body needs to break more nutrients like glucose with the help of oxygen. Thus, demand of oxygen and nutrients increases in our body. Brain now senses this whole increased demand by the body, and to balance this, it orders lungs to breathe faster and take in more oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Also, it signals heart to beat fast so that more blood and more oxygen reaches muscles. If you know, a lot of heat gets produced during exercise. This increases our body temperature, and to bring our body temperature back to normal, sweat glands produce more sweat. But once exercising is over, after some time, all these organs they come back to their normal state. What if they don't? If heart keeps on beating fast, we may die of heart attack. Or if skin keeps sweating, we may die of dehydration as body will keep losing water. Thus, it is important for our body to act according to changing demands. Like after exercise, it was important for organs to come to steady state. This coming back to steady state or balanced state is called homeostasis. It is achieved by two important systems of our body. We have just learned about one of the systems for control and coordination, which consists of brain and spinal cord, also known as nervous system. The other equally important system known as endocrine system, about which we will learn later. To conclude, we can say that brain is the important organ for controlling various functions of body. There are certain responses which can be handled by brain and certain activities which can be handled better by spinal cord. Also, we have seen that it is important for any organism to maintain steady state of body, also called homeostasis. In the next video, we will learn about nervous system in animals.